Welcome to Ngobo Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow each other. This is Ngobo Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Gallants 1. My brother, how's it?
Shapunjan Pram.
Siyaphila futhi. Uyizwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Ish. Uthi athi
hamba phela.
Yeah. Sondela.
Intuze ibuhlungu.
awuthi yami ngifuna ukuqala la ne.
Yeah.
Ish yazi
Uyemove kancane so that ukwazi ukuvela kwi-screen yakho.
yazi awuthi yami inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu ne. Mangiyibona iSundowns isenza so. Because now ingikhumbuza iKaizer Chiefs. Sase iKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
And ngizobuya kule game lena iKaizer Chiefs wami he used to ukuthi like ithenga ama player like from like Alexander besinama player bekunama players eSoweto besidlala ngama player like ase Davidton abo Paul Ndlanya, you can name them, abo Shakes Khungwane, abo Jabo, abo bani. So where is those players? Mina into engicelayo as a Kaizer Chiefs player bengicela ukuthi like uBobby aphinda ishafule because ngiyazi ukuthi angayishafula la nto aphinda yenze aphinde futhi aye kuJabu nabo bani bamlethela ama player aye ku tournament Brian Eastern Cape Brian ngibuya khona you can go there Brian uyochecka like ama player then isikwazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibuye egamini all right ngibuyele egamini namhlanje Hi Bram, ngicela ngithi congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
And futhi angeke ngutshela baka Bram baphethe quality. Take away anything about like sales.
Exactly, yeah.
And yabona Bram ngifuna ukutshela manje Sundowns akekho umuntu manje ozophinda la kayivini. Sengisaba nokuthi ukuthi like i-league is gone. Yazi why?
Yeah.
Because yabona i-Pirates number 2 ne.
Yeah.
And the Pirates Prime Pirates iyadlala. But now coach angazi nokuthi maybe akayibona or ngibona une player like uSesane akadlalisa uSesane kula position leyana akhiphe like captain because ku late manje my Sundowns iyayithatha manje uzobe kwesi9 ne
In a row, yeah.
Chuthi manje ngeke saphinde phela thina sithi
And next day again.
and chuthi ngeke saphinde phela manje sifumana so I prime otherwise ngifuna ukuthi congratulate you to Sundowns
Yeah.
and nemarumo Gallants undlondlo Brian
Udlalile kodwa.
Udlalile undlondlo kakhulu Brian and kunalo mfana lo bathi number 18 sengiyazi ukuthi sebambhekile iSundowns vele izomthenga akezomdonsa because ubasogolisile
Kanjalo
yeah ubasogolisile yeah Brian mara okay Brian sengivala ne mara ngizama ukuthi yona Brian iKaizer Chiefs Brian elinyusa ama socks babuyele kulama legend akhona
Babuyele Zimbabwe.
and babuyele futhi landi ukuthi iPride Prime ibeke nje sayidini babuyele kubo because Prime sidlale ngaloma player for a long time lo magasi lawo uthola ama player yawona sithola ama player and elikwazi ukuthi like siwina ngaloma player lawo you understand angifuni ukuthi like ngizothi ngama player wami Kaizer Chiefs ngifuna ukuthi ubani akadlala ubani is better than ubani you understand but if you can go Prime sibuyele kusa structure sethu saqala I Kaizer Chiefs Prime engaphindi ngesha
Thank you, all the best.
sharp